Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper and we are in Barking, England, and I am standing with Normenta, who is the senior site manager here at a job site where they are using off-site construction with Weston Homes and British off-site panelization. Normenta, you're the senior site manager here. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do and where we're at?
Well, I'm looking after mainly internal fit out. So this is my first time I'm working with the panels. I do get involved in external as well. I'm finding system very, very good because we could be installing panels at level 10 and first fixing or second fixing on level 8. So it's quite a good system. Everyone just getting on with it. And yeah, so far so good. As I always say. Yeah.
This is a big project. I mean, this isn't just one building. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the overall project here?
So the project is quite big. It's one of the biggest projects at Weston's. It's at the moment what we're doing is the first phase. We are starting doing the second phase where we're gonna have 28 stories building, which you can see the views at London, Canary Wharf, O2 Arena, and everything is actually very good spot to have a property in, and it's exciting and like flagship project for the Weston Homes, and it's good to be involved in that.
Yeah, and you know, we're here, and you're right, you got the beautiful skyline of London. This building right now, we're probably on what, like the 12th floor or so, maybe?
That's level 8.
We're on level 8, feels like 12.
Yes.
It's up here. And so this overall project, what is the timeline looking like?
So we got another 7 years on this project.
Yeah.
So as I said, like
it's a big site.
Yes, it is a big site. This is the first phase. We got 4 blocks at the first phase, and then just the second phase is coming out of the ground. We're gonna have another 3 blocks going in, and the biggest one, as I mentioned, is gonna be 28 stories, high rise. So it's quite exciting.
And how long have you been doing this type of work?
So I've been doing construction for 7 years.
Yeah.
My background is civil engineering, so for me, high rise is my
It's your home?
Yeah, it's my home. So
Yeah,
I love
perfect.
it.
Perfect. So we are on site here today, and we're taking a look at the panel system. We're taking a look at the floor system. Even the flooring system on this building is modular, the way they're building it and putting it together. And one of the things I was hearing is, you know, some of the first floor units, people could start living in possibly before the top units are done. Is that accurate?
That's correct. Like, for example, we are on level 8 installing the panels. I'm already second fixing on level 1 and 2.
Right.
So I'm closing up the walls and closing up the ceilings. And we're gonna miscoat soon, tip and joint miscoat, installing the kitchens and everything else. So as I said, you can close up the roof and finish the plots at the bottom.
Yeah, and you got a big job, the internals, right? Everything inside and what's going on. Because the panels on this project are internal panels and external, and we'll show you more of that as we go through.
That's correct, yes.
For sure.
Yeah.
Well, listen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love what you're doing here. I think this is amazing. So there you have it, everybody. We are on site with Weston Homes, British Offsite, and we're going to bring you all kinds of videos from this event. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye now.
Bye.